Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So guess what today is? Today is mystery box, the grab bag. So I just went to Michael's and I got 2 of these boxes and we're gonna open them together. I had so much fun with you guys last time we opened them and I got some amazing things for Christmas. So now we're gonna go ahead and open this one together, and this should be St. Patrick's Day and Easter. So I'm super excited. I hope I get some cool stuff. So you guys ready? And I'm gonna go ahead and put the box on the floor and we're gonna go ahead and just keep pulling stuff out. Ready? So first thing is, let's see what this is. Easter eggs. Imagine that. And it looks like they are probably empty. It doesn't say they're filled with anything. So can't go wrong. And these are actually pretty cool color. They're like a metallic-y. So 2 of these. A piñata craft kit. So we got that. That's pretty cool. I've never done that before. And another one. And a shaker craft kit. That's kind of cool. More eggs. I have to come up with definitely an egg project next year. Okay. I guess the eggs, the Easter eggs, I can find a project for. I guess that's better than the Easter kits where I get tons of dyes to dye eggs, because there's only so many of those you need. Okay, this is a large honeycomb bunny rabbit. So we got that. This looks like another teacher gift to give to an elementary school. Definitely. Cool. These are cool eggs. I like those. And these are cool too. Okay, another honeycomb egg. And wow, this is $24.99. Can you believe that? Can you imagine paying that price? That is just crazy. Crazy. I've got 3 more of these. Yellow, pink, and pink. So let's put that back. That one I wasn't too excited about. Okay, so this is the second one, and let's open this. And I was really hoping for something adorable, like to decorate your house with, like, I don't know, something cool for outdoors. Oh, wow. Now, this is kind of cool, I guess. And if you didn't get enough there, then we got more here. And if that wasn't enough, let's do one more. This is so cute. Now, this is super cute. This is kind of what I was going for. Super cute. So that'll look nice. Oh, that's so pretty, isn't it, you guys? That's super cute. That's cute. I like that. And these are super cute too, these eggs. Or they actually look like those big chocolates. I've seen chocolate like this. This is super cute. This would make an awesome project. We got 1, 2, 3. This one's cute. Look at those eggs. Those are cute. This one's so cute. This was worth it. This is a tabletop. Isn't that so cute? That is so adorable. I like. Okay, so let's set that aside. There's one more, but it looks like this one's broken. But, aw, that's too bad. But it has like another egg down here, which I'm sure we can fix. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Yeah, we can fix that by gluing it. That's cute. So what do you guys think? Is this good? You've got to check out my other Michael's mystery box video. I got awesome things like for Christmas, so I can't beat that. This one, I think the second box was kind of cool. So I don't know, comment below and let me know what you guys think. So I paid 10 bucks a box. Do you think it's a good deal or not? So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.